Hi, my name is Sarah Pettit and I'm a student nurse at NTC, and today I'm going to be doing a teaching project. I will be teaching about autism. My patient teaching type is pedagogy because I will be teaching a child. My family situation is I will be speaking with Jordan. She has a brother that has autism and they've been having some problems coping in the family. And so we're going to talk to her a little bit about that and ways that she can make that a little easier. The nursing diagnosis that I came up with is compromised family coping related to inability to accept or adapt to brother's autism diagnosis. I will be bringing Jordan in here shortly, and I'm going to go over a short PowerPoint with her and then demonstrate some iPad apps that she could use with her brother to help stimulate some bonding time between the two of them. So Jordan, you want to come on in? Hi Jordan, my name is Sarah. I'm a student nurse. I just got done talking to your mom a little while ago and she said you and your brother are having some issues getting along.
Yeah.
Yeah, been kind of tough. She told me that you're in dance.
Mhm.
You like dance?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of dances do you do?
I do ballet, jazz, line, which is kind of like another jazz, but you have to try out for it.
Oh, nice.
I do acro, which is kind of like gymnastics, and I do contemporary and hip-hop.
So you're in a lot of dance. You sound pretty busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me before we start? No? Okay. We're going to go, I made this short little PowerPoint so we can go over some stuff about autism, okay? Okay. Moms and dads usually find out that their child has autism by the time they're 3 years old. So your brother's 6, so you guys have known about this for a little while, right? Been working through some stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Autism can make it hard to play with other kids and hard to say the things he's thinking. So does your brother have a hard time getting along with the kids at school sometimes?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. Does he have a hard time saying stuff to you at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he do anything at home to make that easier?
He has an iPad, and on the iPad it's like it was like a spelling thing, and then if we can't understand what he's saying, he'll just type it on, and then we'll like read it.
Well, that sounds really useful, huh? Yeah.
So
when
he's
you...
a
Go
so
ahead.
he's a really good typer.
Yeah.
Or speller.
Yeah, your mom had told me that you guys have an iPad at home, so I went and found some apps that'll help you guys play together. I'll show after this, okay?
Okay.
Doctors don't know what causes autism. They haven't figured it out yet, but they're working on it. And autism is not catchy. So when your brother goes to school, no one's going to catch autism from him. That's just something he's born with. Some things you might notice about your brother is he says the same things over and over. So you do that at home?
Yeah.
Yep, that's perfectly normal. And he might be hard to understand. We kind of already talked about that. And you told me that he has an iPad app you use at home.
Mm-hmm.
That makes it easier, huh? And he won't usually like loud noises.
Yeah, he has like headphones that makes it kind of quieter.
Mm-hmm.
And there's like a lot of things going on.
So if you guys were at home and you were watching a really loud movie, what would you do for your brother?
I would get his headphones.
Yeah, that's a good way to help him out, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Another thing that you could do if you knew that it was going to be really loud in the house, maybe a big party going on or something, you could let him know so it's not scary for him.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe he'd just want to go to his room and hang out, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry, I have a little tickle in my throat. And he won't usually like change. He doesn't like change, huh?
No, he
No.
usually like screams and throws a big fit.
Yeah. Yep, that's perfectly normal. People with autism like to have the same thing happen all the time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Some ways to talk to your brother. You want to talk real slowly and give him time to think about what he's going to say. Because sometimes it takes a little longer to get things out. So if you ask him a question, maybe you could wait like 5 seconds, like count to 5 in your head, and that would probably give him enough time. Okay? Tell him exactly what you want him to do. So if the example I have here is if he's standing on your foot, you can tell him, can you please get off my foot? Because if you say, you're standing on my foot, well, he knows that, right? Mm-hmm. He just doesn't know that he's hurting you. So you got to make real sure you tell him just exactly what you want him to do. And if he upsets you, he doesn't mean to upset you. He just doesn't understand. So another example I have here is if you guys are sitting together and he wants to color and he takes your pencil or he takes your crayons or something like that, just tell him, please don't take my pencil, and then help him find one of his own, okay? Because that's all he wants to do is color with his sister, right? Mm-hmm. So you can go help him out with that. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah. I made a couple true-false questions for you to see if you're understanding everything I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay? Let's see. True or false? The doctor knows what caused your brother's autism.
False.
False. If you want to push the button right here, you can see if you're right. The big long space bar. False. Good job. Nobody knows what causes autism, right? Doctors haven't figured that out. And we can't make it go away. Okay, true or false? Kids with autism can learn new things.
True.
True. True. Good job. Kids with autism learn lots of new things, right? Mm-hmm. They just learn in a different way. They can grow up to have jobs just like me and you. True or false? Kids with autism don't need friends.
False.
False. Everyone needs friends, right? Yeah. True or false? You will need to be patient with your brother and teach him how to be a good friend.
True.
True. Give him time to understand directions and help him start friendships. So we talked about the time, right? Give him a couple seconds to think about what he wants to say. And help him start friendships. How do you think you can help him start a friendship at school?
If me and my friends are playing, we'll let him play along.
Yeah, that'd be very nice if you did that, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because sometimes it's hard for people with autism to start new friendships. They need a little push or a little help. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, that was our last question. On there, do you have any questions for me about that stuff? Okay, Jordan, I'm going to show you these apps that I was telling you about on the iPad that you can play with your brother. The first one's going to be Autism iHelp. So you pick one of the sets of questions here, and then you pick the set up there, set A. It's loading. Okay, go ahead.
Who puts out fires?
And you can go ahead and touch who puts out fires.
Firefighter. Way to go.
Good. Now you hit the little arrow down here.
Who takes care of sick people? Doctor. You did it.
Good job. You want to try one more?
Who builds houses? Carpenter. You did it.
Good job. You think your brother would like that?
Yeah.
You guys could do that together? Maybe take turns? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll show you another one. Since you said he really likes to type,
C.
this helps practice typing words. So you want to do the first letter. You want to push your C.
C for cat.
C for cat. Now next is O.
O for octopus. M. M for monkey. E.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
E for elephant.
Good job. You think your brother will like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, he likes the typing, huh? You want to try another one?
D for dog.
And this will help him learn what those those objects start with too, the letter that they start with.
O for octopus. W. W for worm. N. N for nest.
Good job. Good job. You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me?
Will my brother always have autism?
He will always have autism. It's something that he was born with and he'll always have. But as he gets older, he'll learn new things. And some things will get easier for you guys and you can help teach him, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then he'll get older and he'll get a job just like you. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, Jordan. I gave your mom a little pamphlet that has all the things that we talked about. So if you get home and you forget something that I told you, you can go ahead and look in that pamphlet and I'll tell you all about it. It also has my number. If you have any questions, anything at all, you just give me a call and I can help answer those questions for you, okay? And I'm also going to call you in about a week and see how things are going.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
It's very nice to meet you, Jordan.
Me too.
Good luck working things out with your brother.
Yeah.
You call me if you need anything, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.
And that concludes my teaching process.